WaterScope, each end user can have access to their individual usage within the portal. Some of the most useful features of this page are as follows. You will land on the summary page when you first log into WaterScope. This will show you your residential analysis, letting you know how much water has gone through your toilet, through your sink, or even your washing machine yesterday. But the real meat of the data is when you click on the daily usage section. This daily usage will show you 24 hours worth of water that has gone through your meter yesterday. If you hover your mouse over any of these color data points, it will tell you the item in your home that used the water. For example, my mouse is looking at a toilet usage that happened around 4 o'clock yesterday. Another useful feature of this page is the ability to look at your usage for a day, a week, or even up to a month. It's good practice to click on the month icon to see how much water has gone through your meter in the last 30 days. This will really help you keep an eye on any issues that might be happening at your home and make sure that everything is to be as expected. If you have any additional questions on WaterScope, you may reach out to your community manager.